Okay, we're going. We're live.
Technically.
All right. So hello, we are the Holman family, and we are missing one person because he's sleeping right now. Mason is in bed sleeping, but can everybody say their names?
My name is Quinn. My name is Mateo.
Marissa, and
Lisa.
and I'm Farmer Marty. Farmer Lisa.
And Farmer Mateo.
We have a small farm out in Loxahatchee Groves, and we wanted to take this opportunity to talk about our farm and introduce you to our family and unbox a weekly bag that we offer in our CSA subscription. We grow. Hey, excuse me, young man. We're trying to. Hey, we're doing a video here, buddy.
Oh, it's gonna take a video too.
We have an organic, we use organic practices, to be honest. We actually do everything in the soil. And our CSA is actually heavy on the salad items, and we have a lot of items for juicing. We have a nice variety, but we have lots of good salad mix and lots of great lettuce heads. So we'll go through and open a box and talk a little about each item.
We're losing one.
We're losing. Okay, go. So Lisa, the first two items we have curly kale, and this is a romaine.
And Quinn.
This is actually romaine lettuce.
Yep. So the kale is in the brassica family. Our variety is Darkabor. There's actually studies that show that the kale can be beneficial in reducing the likelihood of, you bring the bag up?
Yes.
Glaucoma. So there's all kinds of health benefits. Kale is like considered a superfood. It's pretty awesome. The romaine, we use a variety called Coastal, and it's actually one of the items that really emphasizes the importance of food safety. Romaine happens to be like one of the leading items that always it comes up in E. coli and issues, breakouts basically. So this emphasizes the importance of food safety. We use sanitizers, and we do triple wash with many of the items in our CSA bag. Okay, Quincy, grab one, buddy. Grab one. Carrots! So we are harvesting awesome carrots right now. We do a couple varieties of orange. We do Bolero is one of our best varieties. Ooh.
She's got a vitamin in her mouth.
Yeah.
So you can take a bite.
We're eating carrots like reindeers.
But our carrots are super sweet. They're great. One of the better items that we really like to grow. They're great for obviously cooking, salads, juicing. Those are one of those multi-purpose items. All right, who's next? Mateo.
Let me get one. Let me get one.
What are these?
Let me get
These?
Oh.
No, let me.
Oh, that was actually, yeah.
Those are radishes.
Very good, buddy. So those are, we do several different types of radishes. These are actually breakfast radishes. And
Who wants to bite that?
that was actually not in our CS bag, but this was just a bonus that we threw in there to show you. Marissa, do you want to pick one of the items out of the bag? Let's go, Mama. Woo!
Lettuce.
All right. So this is our salad mix, and we every week, I think we're in our sixth week of our season. Every week we have either salad mix, and all but 1 week I think we've had salad mix in the CSA session, which is 9 weeks long. And our salad mix is one of our favorite items. It consists of 4 different varieties of baby lettuce and 2 different colors. So that amounts basically to 8 different looking varieties in our salad mix. It's very hearty. It's got a great texture, great taste. Like I said, it's one of our favorite things, but you can see this is like a red butter. This is a green oak leaf. It's really just a great salad mix. Yeah, so that's one of our favorite things. Okay, who's next? Quincy, go, Bubba. Go, go, go. Tomatoes. So this is I think every week in our CSA thus far. There's never a guarantee, but we try to focus on the most favorite and not doing such exotic items in our CSA bag. But we've had tomatoes every week. This is a variety called Sakura, and we also intermix in there some grape tomatoes, and these are Julie, but they're awesome tasting, grown in dirt in our actually in our greenhouses, because tomatoes are one of the more difficult items to grow in South Florida with our humidity and not using synthetic chemicals. So we've been lucky enough every week in our CSA so far we've had tomatoes to offer to our subscription family. Yeah?
Mm-hmm. And last?
Are we on? No,
Oh,
I think we got two more.
Okay.
Okay, so that's tatsoi. And it's a red tatsoi, and this is like extremely beautiful. I liken it to spinach. Lisa, I think you were just looking at a recipe, and she will send that out to our CSA family this week. We try to send out in our email distribution recipes whenever possible on items like tatsoi that's not as familiar. What about tatsoi? Something high in vitamin A, C, and K. Like I mentioned, I think it's similar to spinach. It's in the brassica family, and this variety is called Rosie.
And you can either eat it just like this raw, or you can cook it.
Yeah,
braise
good
it,
point.
saute it.
Nice.
And last.
Actually, so there was 8 items in this bag. So we usually try to target 5 to 7 items, but we've been putting 8 items. This is a buckwheat microgreen. This is a personal favorite, and we include a rather large container of microgreens. And this, like I said, this is one of my favorite. It's a very light, mild microgreen. It can be used on salads, sandwiches, eggs. Yeah, it's a good. It's known for its anti-inflammatory characteristics. Yeah, soups, garnish. It doesn't matter, but there's all kinds of studies out there. Even you can use USDA data that shows that certain microgreens can be 60 some times more nutrient dense than their adult counterparts. So microgreens are again just listed in the category of superfoods that are awesome and they taste great. So again, throw in your salad, eggs, it doesn't matter. Yep, and then the cucumber. So there was 9 items. We had just added the extra radish, but other than that, that's what a bag actually looks like when you subscribe to our CSA. So that's it with the vegetables. I would just ask if you're interested in our farm, please go to our website, and on there's an email weekly letter that you can sign up to. So you submit your email, and then you can receive information from us and about our farm. If you're interested in the CSA, go to our website. You can email Lisa or info@holmansharvest.com. You can call Lisa, and you can visit our website to order there. And if there's any questions, you can go to any of those sources, email us, or leave in the comments section any questions, and we'll put this video out there. Everybody, hey, we lost one. We did pretty good. We only lost Marissa one time, I think, right? So everybody want to say bye? Bye. Oh, I'm sorry. You have something to say?
Bye, Marissa.
Is that it?
That's it.
You say bye, Marissa?
Bye.
Bye. I got a video picture.
Daddy, you didn't give an example. You didn't